Hi! During this section and for the upcoming section, we're gonna focus on hacking the Windows machines and also privilege escalation in Windows. So maybe information gathering or hacking into steps are not very different when we compare the Linux with Windows servers. However, privilege escalation surely is because it has a completely different operating system and we have to understand the user group structures and how we can move through them and how we can try to escalate our privilege. So it's a completely new skill for you if you haven't worked with Windows before, obviously. And if you have so, please make sure you just scan the whole section so that you make sure that you don't skip any technique related to privilege escalation or hacking into. So we're gonna use HackTheBox in this section. And it's going to be a little bit challenging for you because we have seen OneHub, we have seen Try Hack Me, now we're moving on to HackTheBox. And the reason why we are doing that, because Windows is not for free, okay? So you can find Linux machines and Linux virtual machines, vulnerable machines everywhere on the internet because it's open source, but when it comes to Windows, it's very limited. And there is some license issues, there can be some copyright issues, and HackTheBox deals with every one of them for us. Okay, so in order to solve this within a legal boundary, at least, we have to go into the HackTheBox and we will do what we gotta do over here. Again, we will focus on Windows, and even if you're a Windows user on your host machine, believe me, this is going to be different from your daily usage. Okay, so don't skip this section or the upcoming section. Just don't focus on Linux because there are Windows servers out there that will need your attention if you become a cybersecurity professional. And the other thing that I should mention over here is that HackTheBox is not free as well. Of course, it comes with a free version, it comes with a free account. You can create a free account and you can just search for some boxes or some kind of vulnerable machines to solve, but they are not actually very popular, or they are very limited. I believe you get to reach 20 machines on the HackTheBox if you have a free account, and for the other ones, let me just change my keyboard over here. For the other ones, you're gonna have to sign up for a VIP membership. So in order to just solve the machines that we're going to do over here, you're gonna need a VIP membership. So it's something like 10 euros per month. Of course, you can just get it for 1 month as well. But if you don't want to buy anything additional rather than this course, you're good to go. You can just watch this section, take notes, and see how it's done. Okay? But if you want to practice, then you should sign up for the VIP package over here. So again, if you don't want to, just watch the rest of these lectures and try to take notes, but just don't skip it. Okay, these are important. And the other thing over here, if you click on join, you will be presented with a challenge. Okay, the other challenging part of the HackTheBox is that I cannot give the solution to this challenge in this course. Okay, so you're gonna have to hack your way in order to sign up to the HackTheBox. So this is how it works. So you're gonna have to find the code and you're gonna have to paste the code in here in order to get a invitation or something like that from the HackTheBox. I did it, it's easy. Okay, you're gonna have to just dig a little deeper, and if you cannot do it, you can just always search on the internet to find the solution out. But the reason why I'm not showing you this is that it clearly indicates Showing this solution in this kind of video is forbidden by the HackTheBox in their user agreement. Okay, so if I show you and if you get the invitation back, maybe they can cancel my account, and it's not very important, but maybe they can cancel your account, so it may create some problems. So what I would suggest is that just don't look anywhere and try to hack this. Okay, try to get your invitation code from HackTheBox. If you get stuck, of course, you just open the Google or open YouTube, just search for HackTheBox invitation challenge or something like that, and you will find the solution. Okay, there are people showing this online, but I cannot, for the reasons that I have just told you, because many of the time thousands of people enroll in these courses and they just follow this, and they become actually very easy to detect by the HackTheBox. So try this on your own. It will be a good challenge for you as well. So as I said before, watching this section is a little bit challenging. You're gonna have to hack your way in. You're gonna have to purchase a membership from the HackTheBox.eu. Maybe you don't want to do all of these things. Just don't do this, and if you don't want to do it, just don't do it, and just take notes, but don't skip the section as well. And another reason why I'm just insisting on the HackTheBox over here is that HackTheBox is very popular, like try hack me, so maybe it would be good for you to create an account and have a ranking over here for your cybersecurity career as well. So a lot of students choose to pay for the VIP membership, so in order to just solve the machines and put a portfolio together to show the employers when they go to an interview, and they can say, yeah, I solved a lot of boxes on HackTheBox. Here you go, you can see my profile over here. Once you get your invitation back, you can just come here and log in from this page. Okay, and right now I'm just gonna stop here and give you time in order to solve this challenge and create your account, and see you in the next lecture.